Here's another example of how to use elimination. In this example, if you notice that the x's do not go away and neither do the y's until we set it up. The problem is there's different numbers in front of both y's. They're not both 3 or they're both not 1, for example. So you could either focus on the x's or you could focus on the y's. In this example, I'm just going to focus on the y's because I think it's easier. Because I know this top one is 20, and I know 10 is close to 20. I know if I times 10 by 2, it'll become a 20. The problem is they're both positive right now, and we need this number that is 10 right now to be negative. So if I want it to become a negative 20, I'm going to times it by a negative 2. So I'm going to times everything in the bottom equation by negative 2. So negative 2 times 5x is negative 10x. Negative 2 times 10y is minus 20y. And it equals whatever negative 2 times negative 25 is, and that is 50. I'm going to cross this line out so that I know not to look at it. Now you're going to focus on the top equation and the bottom equation, noticing that when you take 20y, and if you would add negative 20y, it will eliminate. And that's what you want. So you're going to add these two equations. Negative 4x plus negative 10x is negative 14x. 20y plus negative 20y cancels, and we're not going to write anything. Negative 8 plus 50 is 42. So right now we're at negative 14x equals 42. We divide by negative 14, and x is negative 3. Now that you know that x is negative 3, we're going to go back to our original equation. One of these three could work. As long as it has an x and a y in it, you may use it. We know now that x is negative 3, so we're going to plug negative 3 in for one of the x's. I'm just going to use the top equation, which is negative 4x plus 20y equals negative 8. Now I'm going to rewrite it, but instead of this x, I'm going to plug in negative 3. So negative 4 times negative 3 plus 20y equals negative 8. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12, plus 20y equals negative 8. We want to get the y by itself, so we're going to move the 12 over with the 8. So we're going to subtract 12, bring down the 20y. Negative 8 minus negative 12, or minus 12 is negative 20. We divide by 20, and y equals negative 1. Our final answer then is parentheses negative 3 comma negative 1. Your answers need to be in this form. Parentheses, the x number separated by a comma with the y number.